Hey, it's Shah again, and welcome to zipBoard. In this video, we are going to talk about what's inside this asset and what's inside a specific task. Let's talk about this first. When you click on an uploaded content or asset, this is what you will see. If you're going to click this button, you will get redirected to another tab where it opens the review dashboard, and you will see different types of annotation tools, and this is where you will leave your reviews. Going back, you can also share a file or an asset to people outside zipBoard so they can also review depending on the permission that you've set up. Please know that we do have a help article that talks about the different options that you can take when sharing a content to people outside zipBoard. If you wish to delete a specific file or asset, please do click this delete button. Another thing is that you can assign an asset to multiple people. So let's say, for example, I'd like to assign this to this person and to them, so they can review this asset. The status, you can set this, the due date, when this will end, the face, and the tags to make it easier for you to search on files. You can also add a description right here. You can put directions and what are they going to do in this file and who added this asset in here. Next is all about the tasks that have been added here in zipBoard. For example, if we're going to click on this task, this is what we can see. We can download this specific screen, or we can go and click this arrow to see that comment or screen. On the other hand, we can also put descriptions, replies where we can mention our team members, and add comments right here so they will get notified. Unlike uploads where we can assign to multiple people, for tasks we can only assign to one person at a time. Status, the type and priority, the due date and the completion date, the face, and tags. Another thing to note is that you can add watchers in here, so whatever changes, replies that has been made in this specific task, they will get notified. Plus, zipBoard will be able to capture all the data when this task has been added.